best investment services. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Charles Schwab. This is the #1 app that offers great services in exchange-traded funds for beginners and pros. You don't need any financial knowledge or background to start investing and earning your fortune. Mobile app Risk Calculator. Fidelity. If you've lived your productive life and now looking for an investment plan that ensures a safe and productive retirement life and savings plans, this is the best online platform for you that provides you with the benefits and financial gains. Mobile app Quick News Updates. Merril Edge. If you're looking to use the financial services of a bank online, this app allows you to customize your dashboard and get all the benefits of bank and banking services at the most affordable prices, and there are also some attractive features as well. Mobile app Customizable Dashboard. TD Ameritrade. If you're an experienced trader and want to stretch your wings to soar high in the open sky, this is the right platform for you that offers you maximum growth opportunities in the trade and forex industry for maximum financial gains. Mobile app Customizable. Betterment. As the name suggests, this robo-investor helps the beginner investor to understand the rules of the games without the fear of losing their money. Just keep a watch on the decisions of the robo and learn your way up to the ladder. Mobile app Tax Factors. Click the link in the description to get more information. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to us and turn the notifications on.